Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. It is so good to be with you again. Today, we are going to talk about something very relaxing. We are going to talk about a lazy day. Sometimes we work very hard. Sometimes our lives are very busy. But everyone needs a day to do nothing. A day to rest, a day to breathe, a day to be lazy. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Alex. Alex is having a very quiet Sunday at home. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple words and short sentences. This is perfect for your ears to practice English without stress. After the story, we will have a repeat after me section to help you speak clearly. Are you ready to relax? Let's begin. It is Sunday morning. The sun is shining through the window, but the room is still cool. Alex is in his bed. He is not sleeping, but he is not awake. He is in the middle. Alex looks at the clock on the wall. It is 9 o'clock. On a Monday, Alex is usually at his desk. But today is Sunday. Today is a lazy day. Alex thinks, I do not want to get up yet. I will stay here for 10 more minutes. The bed is very soft. The blankets are warm. Alex listens to the birds singing outside. It is a very peaceful sound. Finally, Alex gets out of bed. He does not run. He walks very slowly to the kitchen. He is wearing his favorite blue pajamas and soft slippers. He makes a cup of tea. He likes tea with a little bit of honey. He watches the steam rise from the cup. The tea is hot and sweet. Alex does not check his phone. He does not look at his emails. He goes to the living room and sits in a large, comfortable chair. He looks out the window. He sees the green trees and the blue sky. He stays there for a long time, just thinking. Around noon, Alex feels a little bit hungry, but he does not want to cook a big meal. Cooking is too much work for a lazy day. He goes to the kitchen and makes a simple sandwich. He uses bread, cheese, and a fresh tomato. He eats his sandwich slowly. He enjoys every bite. In the afternoon, Alex decides to read a book. He chooses a book with a yellow cover. It is a story about a traveler. He reads 10 pages, then 20 pages. His eyes feel heavy. The house is very quiet. Alex puts the book on his chest, closes his eyes, and takes a short nap. When he wakes up, the sun is lower in the sky. The light in the room is orange and gold. Alex feels very refreshed. He goes to the balcony to get some fresh air. He sees his neighbor walking a small dog. Alex waves hello. For dinner, Alex eats a bowl of cereal with cold milk. It is simple. It is easy. Now it is evening. Alex takes a warm shower. The water feels good on his shoulders. He puts on clean clothes and sits on his sofa. He listens to some very quiet music. He feels calm. He feels happy. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow, he will be busy. He will go to work. He will talk to many people. But that is okay. Because today, Alex had a lazy day. His body is rested. His mind is quiet. He is ready for a new week. Alex goes back to his bed. He turns off the lamp. The room is dark. Good night, he whispers to himself. He falls asleep with a smile on his face. Now, it is your turn to speak. I will say a sentence. I will pause. You repeat the sentence out loud. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's practice. Today is a lazy day. Alex is in his warm bed. He does not want to get up. He hears the birds singing. He makes a cup of hot tea. The tea has a little honey. He sits in a comfortable chair. Alex does not check his phone. He makes a simple sandwich. He reads a book for an hour. Alex takes a short nap. The afternoon is very quiet. He feels very calm and happy. He is ready for the new week. Now, I will tell the story again, but I will speak a little bit faster. Try to listen to the rhythm of the words. Just listen. It was a beautiful Sunday morning, and Alex decided to have a lazy day. He stayed in bed until 9 o'clock, enjoying the warmth of his blankets. After getting up, he made a cup of tea with honey and sat in his favorite chair to look at the trees outside. He didn't check his phone or his work emails. For lunch, he had a simple cheese and tomato sandwich. In the afternoon, he read a book until he fell asleep for a short nap. By the evening, Alex felt refreshed and peaceful. He ate a light dinner and listened to some quiet music. Even though work starts tomorrow, Alex feels ready because he took the time to rest his mind and body. Have a peaceful day, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. You did a wonderful job today. Resting is important for your body, and practicing slowly is important for your English. You are doing great. Thank you for joining me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you enjoyed this relaxing story about Alex's lazy day, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. Share this video with a friend who needs a break today. And if you want to hear more stories to help your English, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I have a question for you. What do you like to do on a lazy day? Do you like to sleep, read a book, or go for a walk? Tell me in the comments below. I love reading your comments. Have a peaceful day, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.